to address Ayomide specifically, one of the things I know she has told us before that she does is she writes poetry or something like that. Well, if you write poetry, since when did you start writing poetry? For how much time do you spend per week on it? And poetry. So under the extracurricular, she can say poetry published in blah blah blah, and she can put where it was published, whether it was the school magazine or a literary magazine or whatever it is. So that's what we mean by evidence. And evidence also coincides with impact, meaning this led to something. This made some difference somehow. That is, and the difference is not about, did you save someone's life or did you save an animal or whatever. It's about within the parameters of that thing that you are doing, you made some kind of impact understood within the community of that thing that you're doing. I hope that makes sense. So let's say you were in, I don't know, theater, drama club or whatever. So you put drama club, but also you put president, right? So not only were you in drama club, but you were also the president. Or you can even separate those things, right? So let's say you were in drama club for all 4 years of high school, but you were president for 1 year. So you put drama club as one thing if you have room. As one thing, and you can say drama club contributed to 5 live productions or whatever it was, right? So that's the evidence, and how much time you spent on it every week and what years you did it. And then the leadership, even just contributing is leadership, right? Like you don't have to be the president to show leadership, right? But the second thing is you can also put the president as separate. But evidence means, again, impact. And your resume is a good place where you can actually lay that out. So if you were in drama club and you were not the president of the club, but let's say you you helped direct the play that was shown to, I don't know, 1,000 people that visited your school and saw it or whatever, something like that. So you're not just saying, and you're going to learn about this when you start doing resumes for jobs. You're not just saying, here's what I did. You're saying, here's the outcome of what I did.